So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a picture like this say anything that you want. And as you can see, here is a script that I wrote, and I want this picture to say exactly what I wrote here. So you can give it anything, you can write any script, you can impute any script, and this AI tool is going to animate the picture and make it say whatever you want it to say. Now, how cool is this? The voice is amazing and it's super cool, and guess what? It's 100% monetizable. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to come over to your browser and visit topview.ai. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that it can be easy for you. And once it opens, you can see that there's so many things you can do with this AI tool. Whether you're running a faceless YouTube channel, maybe it's an African folktale channel or Bible inspirational verses, or even an AI news channel. And by the way, if you want me to make a tutorial on AI news channel, let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and make that video for you, right? Now here you can see some of the things that the AI tool can do: AI avatar, materials to video, URL to video, AI talking photo, long video to shorts, and so many more. Now, to get started, all we have to do is to click on start for free, and then you're going to sign up either using your normal email or your Gmail account. And to do that, all you have to do is to click here. And once it opens, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. Select all your use cases. So here we want it to be entertainment / film, advertising and marketing, product demos, social media content, and then you click on continue. And then here, what's your company size? So if you're self-employed, if you have 11 to 50 employees, if you have 2 to 10 employees, it's all up to you. So we're just going to go ahead and click on self-employed personal user, and we're going to click on continue. And how did you hear about us? Of course, on YouTube. And you click on YouTube and you're going to click on continue. And here you can see, thanks for your insight, join our Discord. You can go ahead and click join Discord so they can see the amazing things other people are doing and get more ideas and inspiration, because we all need that, right? And here I'm going to just click on get started. Now, before we come back here, let's do one important thing, especially if you want to use the video that is going to generate for you on YouTube. This is what you must do. So all we have to do is come over to our browser and visit canva.com. Very important. And then you're going to go ahead and click on video, and then you're going to click on video 1080p. And then once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to come over to upload and upload the picture that you want to animate. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this. So the next thing I want to do is to drag this image like so, drag the image to center perfectly, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to show you why you need to do this, why it's very important that you do this, right? So I'm just going to click on the image and I'm going to click on edit. And once it opens, what you're going to do next is to click on magic expand, and then click on whole image, and then click on expand to expand the image. So here you can see that it has expanded the image, and you can just flip through and see which one best fits what you want to use it for. This one is already amazing, so I'm just going to leave it at this, and I'm going to click on done. And now our image is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on share, and then you're going to make sure that you change the file type from MP4 to PNG. This is very important, so please don't miss it. Now you're going to click on download. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this as test image 1, and I'm going to save it. So now that we have downloaded the image, the next thing we're going to do is to come over to topview.ai, and here you're going to put in the text of whatever you want the AI to say, whatever you want the picture to say. This is where you're going to put it. So to do that, all I have to do is to go ahead and paste this here. But if you have your own audio, all you have to do is to just click on import audio and then import your own audio, and then it's going to generate the audio using whatever voice you have already recorded it with, right? And the next thing I'm going to do is come right here and select the voice that I want to use. There are so many voices here. Some of them are paid and some of them are free of charge. As you can see, these ones without this crown are completely free and they are awesome. And another thing I love about this tool is that you can clone your voice. Now, how cool is this? You can clone your voice and use your voice to generate videos and make pictures, talk using your own voice. Now, this is incredible. Now, I'm going to let your creativity run wild when you're trying this out. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to randomly select a voice just so I don't waste too much of your time. So here you're going to select the language that you want. They have so many languages. They have Filipino, Arabic, French, German, English, and so on. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select English. And because we have a female, the picture is female, so I'm going to be selecting the gender female. And then for age, you have different ages here. You have young, middle age, and old. So for the purpose of this tutorial, because our image is more or less like a middle age, so I'm just going to go ahead and select middle age. And then style, you can choose any of this style here. But first, you can play back this audio and hear how it sounds, and then make your choice. So you can see different type of accent, and all these ones are free. This is Spanish accent, this is French accent, Indian accent, British accent, American accent, Vietnamese accent, and so many more. So you just take your time and try it out and see which one that you prefer, like this one now.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform.
For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select Dorothy, middle-aged female with a British accent. So we're going to select this and we're going to click on confirm, and we have locked that in. And then the next thing we're going to do is to upload our image. And by the way, you can also generate your own image by clicking on AI curation, and then you can generate your own image here, and the images are amazing, right? So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload, and we're going to bring in the image that we downloaded from Canva, right? And now that it has uploaded, the next thing you're going to do, which is the fun part, and that is clicking on generate, and then it's going to go ahead and convert the image to a video for you. How cool is this? And here you can see that it's done generating, and the next thing we're going to do is, of course, you know, right? Is to go ahead and play it back and see how it sounds.
Hi friend, please like this video if you haven't already. This will encourage me to keep making awesome videos like this for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the awesome videos that I am currently working on.
Now, how cool is this? And one thing I love about this is the eye movement, the head movement, and all of that. And this is going to be very useful if you're running an African folktale channel, or you're running an AI news channel, or any AI generated video that you need to upload on YouTube, and you use pictures to create the videos. You might as well make the pictures talk. Now, how cool is this? So now that we have this, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on download to download it to my device. Let's just say that you don't have your own image and you want to generate an image here. All you have to do is to click AI creation, and then you're going to select the style that you want: Pro Photo, Raw, Basic, 3D cartoon, or any style that you want. You can generate that here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Pro Photo, and for the type of image that you want, then you're going to select 16:9. If you choose 16:9, you no longer have to go to Canva to turn it to 16:9, because if you use a square picture, it's not going to come out well on YouTube, right? So you have to use 16:9 so that you can be able to use it on YouTube. So all you have to do right now is to put in the prompt that you want to use to generate the image. Whatever type of image that you want to see, you can generate it with this AI tool. And now the next thing we're going to do is to click on generate to generate the image.
2 seconds later.
Now you can see that it has generated the image for us, and it looks amazing. Now, how cool is this? This is by far the best image generator I've ever seen in my journey through African Folktale channel. Now, why don't you go ahead and find the link in the description to go ahead and try out this AI. And here's the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel so that you can learn more ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Compliments.